Welcome to LearnComputerScienceOnline.com, and in this video, we are going to discuss what is an arithmetic logic unit. Let us first start with the brief introduction. The arithmetic logic unit is commonly abbreviated as ALU in the computer jargon. The ALU is an internal component of the microprocessor architecture. The microprocessor components can be basically grouped into three functional units. These three functional units of the CPU are, first, the control unit, second, the arithmetic logic unit, and third, the memory unit. The arithmetic logic unit is a crucial component of the central processing unit, CPU. The ALU is said to be the mathematical brain of the microprocessor. In simple words, the control unit decodes the program instructions, and the arithmetic logic unit performs the desired operations. The arithmetic logic unit essentially performs both arithmetic operations and the logic operations necessary to operate on the data. The arithmetic operations performed by the arithmetic logic unit includes all the mathematical calculations, such as addition, subtraction, division, and other such arithmetic functions. Whereas, the logical operations of the ALU include all the logical functions, such as greater than, less than, comparison, equal to, bit shifting operations, and the comparison operation. Alright, so, this was just a basic introduction to the arithmetic logic unit. Since the arithmetic logic unit is a part of CPU, we need to first understand how microprocessor works. The microprocessor is said to be the brain of the computer system. It is the processor that provides the necessary processing power to the computer system and also controls all the operations. In computer architecture, the microprocessor is responsible to perform two main functions. The first main function of the CPU is to execute the program. The second important function of the CPU is to control all the operations performed by the computer. In order to execute the program instructions, the CPU has to repetitively perform the instruction cycle. The instruction cycle is the basic operation of the central processing unit. The instruction cycle consists of four independent CPU operations. The instruction cycle stages include the fetch operation, decode operation, the execute operation, and the storage operation. The control unit plays an important role in the execution of the instruction cycle. The control unit handles the decode operation, whereas the ALU handles the execution part of the instruction cycle. Let us now discuss in detail what is an arithmetic and logic unit. In computer architecture, the arithmetic and logic unit, abbreviated as ALU. The ALU is a part of each microprocessor chip. The arithmetic logic unit is basically a digital electronic circuit and the fundamental building block of each microprocessor chip. It is the ALU that performs all the arithmetic calculations and the logical operations performed by the processor. The main function microprocessor is to execute the computer program. The computer program consists of set of machine instructions in the binary format. In order to execute the program, the CPU has to perform number of arithmetic calculations and the logical operations as per the program instructions. The ALU is also a crucial component of the graphics processing unit, abbreviated as GPU. The GPU and the central processing unit, CPU, work together as a team for all the high-end computer systems, such as gaming computers. The GPU is a dedicated processor for handling the graphics processing function independently, which in turn improves the system performance. Depending upon the microprocessor architecture, the CPU and the GPU can contain one or more than one arithmetic logic units. The ALU, specially designed for the GPU, is optimized for rapid graphics processing operation. The ALU is an electronic circuit and the fundamental building block for all the microprocessor chips. From simple to highly advanced microprocessor chips, the ALU is an essential component. Alright, so we are now clear on what is arithmetic logic unit. Let us now discuss how arithmetic logic unit works. The ALU is a crucial component of all microprocessor chips. And therefore, the ALU operations can be best understood in the context of how CPU works. The CPU stands for the Central Processing Unit. In computer world, the CPU is also commonly referred to as a microprocessor. The microprocessor works as a brain of the computer system. The CPU is basically an integrated circuit chip, and it is the crucial component of the computer system. It is CPU that is responsible to process the data as per the program instructions. The CPU executes the program and provides the processing power to the computer by performing complex mathematical calculations and the logic operations. The microprocessor has three important functional units. The first functional unit of the CPU is called the control unit. The second unit is called the arithmetic logic unit, ALU, and third unit is called the memory unit. All the three functional units of the CPU work together as a team, and each unit plays an important role during the program execution. Let us start with the first functional unit of the CPU, and that is control unit. The control unit controls all the operations of the processor and the computer system. The central processing unit is driven by a stream of clock signals. These clock signals are generated by the timing unit, which is the part of the control unit. The control unit also performs another very important function, and that is to decode the program instructions. The computer program contains a set of machine instructions in the binary format. At this stage, the concept of instruction format comes into picture. It is the instruction format that directs the CPU regarding which operation is to be performed and where is the data located. There are three main parts of the machine instruction format. Let us consider one example of 16 bits machine instruction format. The first part is called the opcode, or operation code. The opcode directs the CPU regarding which operation is to be performed. The second part of the instruction format is called an operand. The operand part can either contain the data or an address of the data. And the third part of the instruction format is called an addressing mode. The addressing mode part of the instruction format defines the rules for the operand. The addressing mode part directs the CPU to locate the data that needs to be operated by the CPU. The control unit then translates the operation code part of the machine instruction into the necessary control signals, which directs the arithmetic logic unit to perform the operation. Alright, let us now talk about various ALU operations. The ALU performs both arithmetic operations and the logic operations. The arithmetic operations of the ALU include all the basic mathematical operations. For example, the ALU arithmetic operations include operations like addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, and raise to the power operations. Whereas, all the decision-making operations, based on the conditional logic of the program instructions, are said to be the logical operations. The ALU logical operations include the greater than, less than, comparison, equal to shifting operations, Boolean operations, comparisons and XOR, OR, and not operations. The ALU circuits consists of different types of logic gates. The logic gates allow the ALU to perform various logic operations. The logic gates are digital circuits and the fundamental building block of all the digital circuits, which also includes the microprocessor. The ALU operates on the data as per the program instruction. And the processed data is then placed into the output register. From the output register, the processed data is transferred to the main memory, RAM. The operating system regains the control of the processed data after it is transferred to the main memory RAM. Okay, so let us do a quick recap. So far we have discussed the entire execution cycle of the microprocessor, which also includes the role and the functions of the ALU. You have also learned in detail how three functional units of the CPU, which includes the control unit, arithmetic logic unit, and the memory unit, work together to execute the program. Alright, so that brings to the end of this tutorial on what is arithmetic logic unit in computer organization and architecture. In this tutorial, we have discussed in detail some important fundamental concepts related to the arithmetic logic unit and how it works. Please visit our website, learncomputerscienceonline.com, for detailed article on arithmetic logic unit. If you have liked this video, then please give us a thumbs up. And consider subscribing to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon with another interesting computer science tutorial.